guys, today we're reviewing Monster High dolls.
Yeah. So first we're going to start with this one. This is one of the inner monsters.
This one over.
That's fine. This is one of the inner monsters. This is Fearfully Feisty and Fantastic Love Doll. So I'll start with her extra accessories first, and then we'll talk about what's on the doll itself. This is her flame wings that they clip on to her back. I think they look really neat.
And there's little pieces in here.
This is her purse.
That go in her belly.
It's her purse, and it actually opens, so. And it does come with all these little pieces. Let's see if I can show you a few of them. Like this one is a heart.
And they go on her belly.
We'll show you where they can clip on. They have hearts, they've got skullettes, they've got roses. They even have the intestines and an actual looking heart. So they got different things like that. And like I said, we'll show you. I think she does have some pieces on her already. These do come with the stand. She's also got these really neat flame boots. They may not look orange, but they are kind of a see-through orange. And they come with a brush. It's got the skullette. Alright, so let's stop. They come with these really neat sunglasses.
And this can come apart.
And this, well, whenever it comes in the package, it is apart. We're going to leave it. And she does have, as of right, whoop, her hair can come off. You can get expansion packs for these. These are ones, put it down here where you can see. Well, this is her mask. You can actually take it off. And I don't know how well you can tell. These are her flame eyes. You push her brain down, and then she's got blue eyes and heart eyes.
And blue eyes.
I already did those. And then this is her love spider bug looking things that you can put on her.
And the purse.
And she has hearts on her hands and her arms.
I need to say something.
And on her legs. And then these are the heart love boots. And then while I take this off, we'll let her say something.
And the bottom of the stand and the purse is a skullette too.
Yeah. And the dress, it's got hearts and all that on it. And these dolls, they can come apart and you can swap out. There's different versions, different colored ones that you can get. But you can take their legs off. And I'm going to show you part of the reason why we're doing this in just a minute.
But the old ones, the arms and legs and those can come off.
Yeah.
But these are different, so the legs come off. But the old ones, the legs do not come off.
Her body is see-through, and of course you see her skeleton. And this is where these little holes are where you can put things.
There's two of you, Mommy.
Stop.
I'm not crossing my eyes.
Like you can put.
I want a skullette on there.
Hold on. And put her intestines down there. And we'll put Scolette right there.
A ladybug Scolette. A ladybug Scolette.
The ladybug one, we'll put it as the heart. And I think we could fit one more. Certain ones you can only fit so many in there. But you sit there and you push them through the holes. And then this is the back of her body.
And this is the front.
You put the front on. And then put one leg on. And like I said, there's other colors of these that have different personalities you can get to mix and match. There's an orange one and a blue one. And then there's other expansion packs. The expansion packs are like $8 each. And so then she has intestines and stuff. And so then you can put her clothes back on. And now it's like she's alive. And I love the way her hand looks. It looks like it's saying I love you in sign language. And I love that.
It's saying I love you in Spanish.
Sign language.
I thought it was Spanish.
No, because it's with your hands.
Miss Nancy says,
And then the way her hair goes on is you see these two little dots back here. It's got little things right there. You slip them in.
She says Spanish.
And
Mommy, this
everything.
is the heart. This is the heart.
So that's that one.
And we have...
What do you like about this one? While I double check something on that other one.
I love her glasses and her mask. When we get... I want to say... she wants to say something to y'all. She wants to get off her stand first.
Okay, now we have Clawdeen. This is the Music Festival Clawdeen. She's got these really nice long boots, big old boots. And they look like they have zippers all over them too.
This is
That's
her
not,
stand.
no, it's not her stand. That's not the stand that comes with her. She does not come with a stand. She's in her purple jumpsuit with stars and moons. She has this black belt and put Barbie back. And she's got 2 black and 1 gold bracelet, and it looks like she has a glove on this hand. Stop. She also comes with a VIM necklace. She's got gold and purple makeup and 2 earrings on each ear. This earring is very long. I think it kind of gets messed up in the hair and everything. But other than that, she's very pretty. So what do you think about this one?
I like her earring and I like everything about it.
Alright. Well, I think that's it for our Monster High review. So until next time, what do I say?